Welcome to ITAS. Today we have our special guest, Ty. Introduce yourself.
I just ate a creeper.
She's so proper, a head knocker. What it do after school?
Okay, then the intro is going to play, which is going to be Bingo by Jacob Sartorius.
Why? Why is that?
Because, okay, so,
I just ate a creeper.
if you haven't heard, today I just hit 1,000 views.
The world is mine, nigga, get back. Don't fuck with my stack, the gauge is whack. About to drop the bomb, I'm the motherfucking dime. Big fish in a small pond.
It actually was a long time ago, but okay.
A long time ago? What do you mean? Here, let me look at it. I'm at 1,013, and yeah, I must have just got it yesterday because the video that I uploaded yesterday has 17.
All the subs, the views, everything's chicken.
Guys, sub for sub.
Chicken noodle soup.
Sub for sub.
No.
If you
He's lying.
If you haven't seen this epic advertisement that I made yesterday, oh crap, what the heck did I just do? There's this epic advertisement that I made yesterday, for advertisement for my SoundCloud. Here's a clip. Link in bio. Yep, that was amazing, right? So, you know what we're gonna do today?
What are we gonna do?
We are going to do a food tier list.
That's nice.
This is what everyone's doing on the internet today.
Did you ever watch Blue's Clues?
Yeah, I did. I still watch it to this day.
I mean, I can understand that. Like, really. The mail time song. It's the best.
We just got a letter, dude.
Man, this guy. Yeah, that's...
Dude, dude, that dog sucked. He always left stains on the carpet. Like, seriously, what the heck?
That dog was filthy. Yo. Speaking of yo Gabba Gabba.
Oh, yeah, I watched that.
That was your jam.
Yo. I'm honestly scared of the guy who made that. Oh, dude. Did you get the CD? Like, they had a CD where it had, like, a bunch of their songs.
I think I probably did.
Yo,
dude, I saw
there's
these
a party
memes
in my
that
tummy
like,
song. I would play it in my car. They'd play
Yo,
it
you
in my
might
dad's
tell me,
car.
dude.
Yo,
I had
dude,
that on my...
it would be sound like we were thugging though.
I had that on my iPod. That's how you could tell it's old.
Like the whole entire car in the neighborhood that we were driving at was shaking because of the bass. It was insane.
Did you watch The Wiggles?
The Wiggles.
Yeah.
I don't remember watching it, but I might have.
They're like the four guys.
Yeah, actually, I definitely didn't watch it.
Okay. Those used to be my favorite. But then they like... I grew up, and then I stopped watching them. And then I saw on what was it? What's that one place called? It's called Sprout or something. They changed it. Then now Greg, he turned into a woman.
What?
And they just ruined the show because of the new guys. Okay.
They should have like some 90-year-old dudes. Like the Wiggles currently. They should have them in current day.
The Wiggles.
I'm kind of scared.
Yep. Here are the Wiggles. Here are the Wiggles that I liked. Oh, this is kind of a blurry picture. But yeah. These are the Wiggles I liked.
Oh yeah.
These are the new Wiggles. Like what the
It
heck?
looks scary.
Anthony, the blue guy. He's still there. Oh my god. What the heck happened to Greg?
Oh my god, look at the dude in the red
They all got old. For some reason Anthony stayed. I don't know if this did they cancel the show?
I hope
it's still on. Dude, they made stuff like
Dorothy the dinosaur.
What's it called? What's that? Fruit salad yummy.
Salad yummy. I've never heard of that or seen that.
You've never heard of it?
For some reason, I feel like I hope I never do.
You're right. You won't be able to hear it on here, so I'm gonna pull it up on my phone.
It's old.
Yeah, it's old. This was like in the 90s or something. This is stuff I watch. Here, listen.
Let me see.
Yummy. Fruit salad. Yummy. Fruit salad. Yummy. Yummy. Fruit salad. Let's make some fruit salad today. Oh, it's fun to do.
What is that?
Let me find some other songs.
Yo, dude, all people.
Oh, they made Hot Potato. The song.
Hot potato. Hot potato. Hot potato. Potato.
Yeah.
The background sounds like some music you'd hear in like an old 90s doo-wops, whatever you call it, I don't know. Like some burger joint in the 90s, that's what it sounds like.
Oh my god,
music.
this is bringing
Like
back...
you just hear it playing from the radio.
This bring back so many memories. Wake Up Jeff.
I don't know.
Dude, Wake Up Jeff? Jeff?
I don't know.
He's the purple guy. He was like always sleeping for some reason.
Wake up, Jeff. Everybody's wiggling. Wake up, Jeff. We really need you. Wake up, Jeff. You're missing all the fun now. Wake up, Jeff, before the day's through. What's that sound? I can hear somebody snoring. What's that sound? It's not Murray or Greg.
Dude. There's this 30 Rock made a parody of the Wiggles called the Woggles. Now listen to the song.
The Wiggles.
I need to find the full one. Listen to this. Okay, just listen to the song they made.
Feelings, say how you feel. Apples, you taste good. Trees, you give us wood. Grandma, I am gay. Bring show me on in a sexual way. Spaghetti, you're my favorite food. A dog in sunglasses, you're real cool too. Police, I killed a man. Son, your father's dad. Wife, I've been to a hole. Feelings, say how you feel. Twin, get back in your cage. Teacher, put your penis away.
Did you hear that? He just said, "Teacher, put your penis away." Another one. He said, "Twins, get back in your cage." Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay. Anyways, yeah, this is it. As basically a podcast now. Okay, so here...
Hasn't it always been a podcast?
Basically, yeah. But we have more topics. Usually we just talk. Now we have topics. Okay, so here is the food tier list. Look at screen share so you can be a part of this tie. Here is... Okay. Let me find iDubbbz, his full. Fast food tier list. Like yep.
The best.
There's his list.
I somewhat agree with that.
Okay, let's start off with Burger King. What are your thoughts on Burger King?
F or E.
Yeah, I don't...
Burger King is trash. Actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them at an E, actually.
Yeah, because other people like
Arby's.
them, but...
I don't like Arby's.
Arby's is actually pretty good, so maybe we'll put that... Where do you want it?
I don't really like it that much. I'm gonna put it at a C. Do you think
Arby's
that's okay?
is a C. Okay, then yeah.
Hardee's?
It makes sense.
I've never been to
Because I was
Hardee's.
thinking a B, so it's halfway. Yeah, me neither. So
Leave that.
I don't know. Leave it out.
Delete that.
You can have
Okay.
delete it.
Chick-fil-A. I've never been there either.
I've heard my parents said it was really good, but one down. Yeah, it made me sick.
So
literally, I threw up. So, but that's just because it's everything.
Yeah. Okay. So do we not really have an opinion about this?
I say we put it at like A or B because I know lots of.
Okay. Yeah. B. B is good. Chipotle.
Chipotle.
Is that the place? Is that the place with like really good milkshakes? Because that's pretty sure that's the only thing I eat there.
No, that's.
Oh wait, nope, that's a different place.
It's like that. You know that. It's like Subway for
yeah,
like.
I know what you're talking about now. God dang it! I was thinking of something else. I forgot what it was called though. Yeah, I don't have an opinion about Chipotle. I haven't really been there much.
A or B.
A or B. I'm gonna put it at a B. Domino's Pizza. They're pretty good.
Yeah, Domino's has pretty good pizza. I say eat that up into the top.
A or
No way.
Somewhere. Probably like B. Actually.
Yeah, I'll put it at B.
Like a B.
It's like I need to make Chipotle smaller.
Yeah, or else you're not gonna have.
I'm not gonna have enough room. Everything's gonna be a B.
Just maybe on Chick-fil-A, just check.
Okay, Dairy Queen.
They have killer like ice cream.
Like, yeah, but like.
But what? I haven't had any of their actual food.
I mean,
the problem.
Their food isn't really that good, but I'll still eat it. Like, yeah. I'm gonna put that at a D, I guess.
Okay, yeah, because
ITAS says Dairy Queen is an F, which I'll eat it. Okay, Five Guys. I've never been to a Five Guys before.
That's an S. That's straight up on the S. That's the best.
I need to go there. I've never been there actually. In-N-Out Burger.
I have never had In-N-Out.
Delete that. Jack in the Box.
Never had it.
Me neither. Okay, KFC.
I've been there. KFC's like somewhere from.
For B?
I don't know.
Or
yeah,
C.
B. It's a nice B.
Crap! What the heck? What?
It's like a B.
Okay, yeah.
Either B or C. I don't know.
Oh, howdy, Mom.
Okay, Little Caesars. They're pretty good.
Little Caesars is like. Little Caesars isn't that good. No, yeah, don't even put it that high at all. I mean,
D.
This is technically your list, but. Like,
yeah. Okay, McDonald's. I'm gonna put them pretty high. Their stuff is like bad for you, but it's good.
It's pretty good, yeah.
Like in the H3 podcast, they said McDonald's is trash, but it's bomb. I'm gonna say B. Papa John's, yeah. For me, Papa John's is an S.
I can't really say anything because kind of ruin. Because they ruin everything. They have to get all the whole wheat everything and all the like healthy toppings and.
Actually, I'm gonna say A.
Their sauces.
Maybe it's just because maybe
you can do whatever.
There's not a Papa John's like around me, so I don't really get it that much. So maybe that's why. If people have it like too much, maybe they don't like it. But I don't. Yeah. I've had it like twice, 4 times a month, or not a month. I mean a year, or something like that.
You just ate Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut should go somewhere A.
Yeah,
they got that stuffed crust.
Yeah, I'm gonna say
stuff like
Pizza
that.
Hut's an A.
And they got some pretty nice.
Sonic.
I've had that once, and I had strep throat when I had it, so I can't really say none.
I'm gonna say
Plus, I'm looking at the ground.
I don't have enough experience, so delete that. Subway. I do not like Subway.
Nice. I say we put it at like a D or C.
I'm gonna say D. I'm gonna put it at a D. It's not that good.
Yeah.
Okay, Taco Bell.
Pretty easy.
They're run by reptiles.
What?
They're run by reptiles, dude. Okay. There's something that if you see it, you'll never unsee it. Look at the bell. Now it looks like a reptile eye.
Oh, it kind of does.
Now you can never unsee that now. Like, oh my god. Okay, where should we put
I don't care what it's run by. It's like somewhere B to S. It's up to you.
I'm gonna put Taco Bell. Jeez, we have a lot of stuff on B. Let's put Taco Bell at a B.
Okay.
Wendy's. I love Wendy's.
Yeah, Wendy's is really good, and wanna know what else is even better than their food?
What?
Their Twitter roasts.
Their Twitter roasts.
Put them up high. We don't have any Fs.
We don't have any Fs. We need Burger King. Does that deserve an F?
Yes.
I'm gonna put Subway at an E.
Subway can be an E, sure.
Dairy Queen. I'm gonna put that
E is
down.
execution.
I'm gonna put Dairy Queen down in an E. It's not that good, but I'll still eat it.
I actually really agree.
He put that at an F, but whatever. Now Arby's. Yeah. I don't have much experience at Arby's.
Arby's is pretty good.
Yeah, so this is my list.
Pretty nice.
I'm gonna tweet this.
Okay. Have fun doing that. I'm gonna start working on the thing again.
Oh god, no.
What?
I just opened this and one of the first thing that comes up is cursed videos.
Oh.
God.
Oh no.
Cool. Should we end that? Should we end this? It's a pretty good episode.
Yeah, I think we should end it here.
1 second. What up? Okay. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed.
Yep.
Comment what you want to see next. Do you want to see more ITAS? Do you want to see more music? More Ty versus Carson gameplay? Or just gameplay? Comment down below, because I have no idea what I'm doing with this channel.
You're doing things.
Dude, 2 episodes of ITAS within a week? That's just insane. Okay, yep, that's it. Goodbye.